My name is Minteq. So today I will show you how to do a simulating precipitation using the Visual Minteq software. So this is the task given for us to complete. So an electroplating wastewater contain 1000 milligram per liter cadmium and 1 mole sulfuric acid. The on-site physicochemical wastewater treatment plant uses the line to neutralize the wastewater and precipitate the cadmium. So first, I will complete the first task first. I will predict the pH and also the species distribution in the wastewater before the addition of lime. So first, I will go to the visual Minteq, and then we have the sulfuric acid. So the component that we have to add is hydrogen. Will contain 2 mole, and then sulfuric SO4 is 1 mole. And make sure here your concentration unit while do those two is molar. After that, you go back to milligram per liter to insert the cadmium, which is 1000, and then change it back to molar. So the pH here you calculate from mass and charge balance, and then the parameters is go to various default setting. Make sure you choose the highest number of iterations and by using Davies. So here we want to know the oversaturated solid are allowed to precipitate each time a mineral precipitate or dissolve. Okay, after we set that, we save and quit, and we can run the Minteq. Okay, this is pH that we get. So we copy the pH and paste it on the Excel. Before addition of okay, pH is 0.092. So now we go for the species distribution, which is this thing. Okay, we copy and back to the Excel and paste it. Okay, so now we already finished the first one. After this, we will do the number 2, 3, and 4, which are we will titrate 1 liter of wastewater by using 1 mole of lime, and then we will plot the graph. And also from the graph, we will identify the volume of 1 mole of lime that required to neutralize 1 liter of wastewater. Okay, we go back to the Visual Minteq, and then back to the input, and then we go to the okay, we choose the titration, go to the titration manager, and here we want to neutralize 1 liter of wastewater. We use 0.02 volume of titrate. Okay, component here. Okay, for the line, which is 1 mole. And then in order to do that, you need a 55 titration. And here we choose the cadmium. You want to know the total result, save and back. Okay, now you can run the Minteq. This may take a while. Okay. Okay, so is this the result? We can go to the shape result and copy all this result and paste it. Okay, because I want to add the column for volume of line, so I remove this number aside. Okay, this is volume one, and then forget to write the unit, which is mole per liter. And then here is pH. There's no unit for pH. Next, total of atom concentration. Okay. Okay. We centered everything. Okay, for the volume, for the first one, which is 0, and then we add 2.02. So it's continuously 2 plus this one, and then it will continue until the end. Okay. So next, by using all this information, we can sketch the graph. Use scatter. Okay. Put it a little bit up. Big. Here. Okay, here. I'll use it. And then okay. And after that, more these things. And all this we make it color black, and then the tick mark is outside. Same goes with face. Tick mark is outside. Color is black. One black. The tick mark. Okay. So then we add this title. This is image. And then this is volume of line. And this is total result. Okay. So we want to know the volume of line that naturalize, which is we know that pH for naturalize is 7. So we insert the shape. Here's the blue one, okay? Okay, I want to use it with okay. So the total days of required, the line required to make it naturalized is 1. Okay, one more program. So it's a bit screwed up here, so we make it 4 lines. Fingers with that. Okay, there you go, like that. Okay, after we know that we require 1 mole per liter of wine, to neutralize it. So we already finished the number 4. So now we use the number 5 at the end. Okay, we receive back the visual Minteq, and then we include the line that we need, and then from that we can calculate the mass of heavy metal sludge that produce meter per cubic of the wastewater. So we go to the visual Minteq. Okay. Get the receipt, everything, and we add back all the hydrogens, which is 2, and then S4, and then current liter is for cadmium, and then A is 1. So we viewed it. Okay. Okay. Or wait. We did. Okay. This is molar. The molar. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Because of we cannot insert the OH here, so we have to minus 2. Minus 1 is which 1? And then we run the Minteq. So this is the new pH. We copy and paste it here. Which is the okay. And more line. So the pH 164, and then after that we go to the saturation table. We know what is the precipitate. So amount of finite solid, which is we get a chain sum. Copy this and paste it. Okay. So this is mole per liter. So in order we want to get the mass, so we have to eliminate the mole. We have to know the molecular weight of calcium, which is 172.17 gram per mole. And then mass concentration. Mass concentration is times this one. We get gram per liter. However, we want it on kilogram per meter cubic. Okay, kilogram per meter cubic. So we have to convert it. This one times 1,000 of 1,000 gram divided by 1,000 liters. Okay. So last one, we get 1.56 to the power of 2. So this is our concentration, and to make more professional, no good line. Okay. So now we know the mass concentration of the precipitation. So that's all from me. Thank you. And have a nice day.